morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're joining us. Welcome to Stanley World Technologies, and this tutorial is proudly brought to you by CCM, the church community, the platform that helps you develop your media skills and your sound skills. So let's get started. We're going to open our Easyworship 7. And so today we'll be taking on how to create your lower third with Easyworship 7. So you don't know how to create your theme, you can check our previous videos on how to create your theme. Also, we have previous videos on how to install Easyworship and how to get Easyworship 7 for free. So moving forward, you come to your themes, creating a new theme. So you right click on new song theme. And so first we're going to be editing our text. So we're going to drag it all the way down. Then increase that to remove it from auto sizing. Take it up a little. Yes, so I have two lines because I want to use two texts for my lower third. After that, we'll go straight to our inspector. So inspector, we're going to customize our background. And so click on slide since it's a slide. So all your Easyworship titles, all your Easyworship aspects and slides. So click on background, media fill, because we're going to fill in into media. So we're going to choose a video of your choice, which you want to be the background of your lower third. Just go with, okay, I got this. And so I'm going to reduce the opacity so it doesn't become too much on the screen. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't need sound, so I'm going to mute it. Okay, so I'm going to set a transition for it. I'm going to choose wipe, or let's go iris. Yeah, iris. So direction is in, and that's that about that. We close. Okay, so now we're gonna customize our song lyrics. So we'll go to elements. Since you see highlighted is an element, so we come to fill. I'm gonna make it a little dark, so I'm gonna change the color to black. I'm not using from your fifth style, you can choose anyone you want, but I'm gonna stick into color fill. I'm gonna reduce the opacity a little. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna set a border. So you can manipulate your size, opacity, the join, and also the color. Anyone you feel you want to do. So when the changes to already black color, I'm gonna reduce the size. Yeah, perfect for me.
There, okay.
I don't need all those that, and close. And so now when I save a thing, give it a name. I'm gonna call it lower third. I'm gonna click up. Okay, so before we go, I just add the logo to it. My logo is in images, so I'm gonna click on images, switch to images, and scroll down to where my logo is. So there's my logo. I'm gonna reduce it. Sit at the left hand side of my screen. So now I'm ready to save. Click on apply, then click on OK. So now my song theme is ready. So now go to song, click on song. I'm gonna create a new song. Okay, I'm gonna just type a few lyrics for us to follow to give an example. Yeah, so this is the lyrics from the song. I'm not gonna be writing, or I'm gonna be writing just a little. I think I'm gonna stop in at the ending of this. As long as I'm breathing, I will always worship you. Okay, so I'm gonna just save this. Okay, we're gonna change our theme here now. On this lower third we created, so I'm gonna click on it and select it. Now you can see the lower third in action. Wow, how cool it is. So I'm gonna give it a name. So I'm gonna send it live. Now you can see our logo, our background, and also our lyrics. This is the lower third. Okay, so we're gonna try out something new right now. Let's try to use a field. Let's take for instance you want to project this from your church and you want to add a church camera. So I'm going to be using my system camera, for example. So when you're using a church camera, you could just connect it and select the church camera, and boom, you have a display. So I'm on the feed, just new camera, so I'm going to name it church camera. And yeah, so my camera is USB audio device, and that's it. I'm going to set it to 720 HD and increase the resolution to 30. And that's color space, and that's can I click OK. So now I've added my camera. Yeah, that's me. Okay, so now we'll go to the theme. I'm gonna be changing the lower third background to our live feed. So we're gonna edit song, go to inspector, use background, a media field, still on media field, so leave it on media. So now select media and we change to feeds. That's where our live camera is, and we click on church camera and okay, apply. Okay, so we'll go back to our song now, and as you can see we have a lower third and okay. So our screen is not that clear. Remember when we touched the OPCC. So we'll go back to our theme, edit song theme, go to inspector, and now click on background. Then now the opacity, I can increase it to up to 100. So now I'm gonna send this live. And as you can see, my camera is live, my logo is live, and my lower third. You could try this out in your church and see how lovely it looks.
If you find this video useful, please like. If you have any question, please use the comment section. And please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.